Hi, thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. What we're going to do here is cover the Workspot design concepts. So this playbook is intended for MSPs, partners, and customers that want to deploy Workspot, anywhere from a simple lab environment to a full-blown enterprise solution. So what we'll do here is walk through the fundamental design concept and show you how it'll scale out. So the same concept here with the two-box model where we have Entra ID and in a hybrid design concept. It's not uncommon for the Active Directory services to be located outside of the Workspot box. So there's, however a customer wants to design this just represents a connection to other resources that they may need to access. So this would be the very common two-box design. And really all we're doing here is just introducing a mechanism to put a network tentacle out to where it needs to go. And so that these resources here that the users use can consume the resources that they need access to do their job. So, again, this is basically that hybrid design. And this is supported on all our clouds that we support. So as long as we have that native ability to do that, we can, using legacy AD, we can support the different platforms. We could have situations where a lot of these gateways don't have to be joined to the domain because OIDC tokens are used. And so again, it brings some interesting possibilities here.